Jane and Kitty each had a piece of dough of the same mass for making cookies. The same mass of dough was used for each cookie. Jane made 25 cookies and had 1.35 kilograms of dough left. Kitty made 47 cookies and had 470 grams of dough left. Now pause the video so that you can complete the questions after reading part A and B. For this question, we can actually draw out the scenario. Let's okay, the one piece of information at the very beginning, it says that both of them had the same mass, right? And the same mass of dough was used for each cookie. And finally, we know that Jane made 25 cookies and had 1.35 kilogram of dough left. Okay, now let's draw out Jane. Okay, Jane would then have, for example, 25 cookies. 25. And then she had 1.35 kilogram. Let's extend it out. And let's assume, okay, let's work it out to 1.35 kilogram is actually equals to 1,350 grams. Let's convert it first. Okay, divide it properly. Okay, so this is 1,350 grams. And next we're going to draw Kitty. Here's another color. Kitty made 47 cookies and had 470 grams of dough left. So we have Kitty. Kitty would then have a longer piece. Okay. And then she would then have 470 grams of dough left. Now, is it 470? Remember earlier part, it says that they both had same mass, so therefore this must be the same over here. Okay, let me erase it off so there's lesser lines. Oops. Okay, now let's do some work. Okay, this part over here is given to us as 47 cookies. That means to say, if I'm to draw and compare the two models, I'm going to cut this part here. This must then be 25, and this, because of the total from here to here, this whole portion is 47, so this must then be 22. Alright, so we then know that 22 cookies is actually from here to here, right? Which then means 1,350 grams minus 470 grams, and the answer is 880 grams. Now part A, asking you for a mass of dough needed for each cookie. So one cookie would then be 880 grams divided by 22. The answer is 40 grams. Answer for part A. Part B, with the remaining dough from both girls, how many more cookies can be made? Okay. So where's the remaining? Remaining is all here. Right? Okay, so what do we do? Let's find out remaining. What's the mass of the remaining dough? 1,350 grams from Jane plus 470 grams from Kitty. We will then have 1,820 grams. Right, if this is the remaining amount of dough, How many cookies? We know that, okay, let's pick it up, 1820 grams. We know that each cookie is requiring 40 grams. Divide it, I will get 45 and a half cookies. But you can have half cookies, and if you realize, you see that how many more cookies can be made at most, that means maximum. So therefore it is not 45 and a half, would then be, answer would be 45 cookies. That's the maximum.